Alright, let me show you some of my fish setup. Got some minnows in there, koi's, goldfish. Got a tiny little tank. Then I'm working on this one. I'm just setting this up. There's nothing in there yet. It's on a cycle. Then I have this guys. Oh, I love that guy right there. These guys look like mini trouts. Then look at the pleco. All this. Then I have a green room here. I do aquaponic. I feed all my plants with the fish water. Very good fertilizer for fish. Garlic. Some broccoli's just sprouting out. Mystery snails. Look at that cute guppy. And I got some strawberries. Look at those roots. This is all fish water. It gets swapped out every few days. And some cabbage. You can see a little bit sprouts there. This is spinach. They're on their way. And I have some cucumber seeds in here. I have peas. Oh, sprouting. Then we have green onion up there. That's watermelon. I have a little chickie in here. Potatoes. And I got some cantaloupe seeds in here. And then I have my fish tank. That's it for today.